more of these big first serves. I think she would have been able to relax a tiny bit, but she's sort of always lately thinking, oh golly, I can't make a mistake, and she's got a bit edgy.
I'm not sure she's being that polite with herself.
No more fork then.
Well, I think he's hungry now. Take this.
First serves it.
Take your fork, Louis. Yeah. Go on. Yeah. Go on, eat your spaghetti. Eat your pasta. Go on. Good girl. Good boy. Ah.
Well, it was such a key game from Maresmo. She had to get something going there. Maybe she's getting adrenalized, your special word of the week, because she needs something. She's just got to play.
Yeah, in your mouth.
She's got to play better and try and find
Good boy.
dominate.
Good boy.
Tennis out here.
Ah.
Not easy to
Well
do.
done.
Very typical though. For
Well
isn't it?
done.
I mean, I've watched her play hundreds of, well, maybe I exaggerate, but
Can you get it in your
matches
mouth?
so closely, and she plays some of the most perfect tennis, and then she has
Come on,
problems
little
with
bird.
one shot or the other shot. I used to think that her serve often let her down, and then the last year or so. I
Sorry,
think
darling.
it
Did I give you
really
too much? Sorry. Mummy's fault. Mummy's fault.
Yes, both of these wonderful backhands. They were both volleying fairly similar degrees of success, but off the floor and has been much more successful and off the serve as well. So there's two big areas where the Belgian is really scoring.
got the edge.
Where's your fork? Where's your fork?
Well, they were clapping on cue, and I